Chapter 1, the Real Estate Business. Within real estate, there are 3 areas of expert info. As a real estate licensed agent, you will need to learn how to transfer property, how to understand market conditions, and how to market the real estate business. See, as a real estate licensee is paid to handle other people's properties because the licensee is a professional who provides specialized service and expertise in those areas. As a real estate licensee, you will need to know the intricacies of title transfers, property taxes, financing, and local zoning ordinances. It is important that you're familiar with the real estate purchase and sale contract used in each locality. Market conditions. There are market fluctuations, and they have an effect on the valuation of properties. These types of fluctuations must be understood in order to completely assist sellers when they're listing their properties and buyers when they're purchasing properties. As a licensee, you'll be expected to know how to market real estate business. See, you must be able to present to various clients. For example, a physician is relocating to a new city may be different from the approach that you would use to assist the owner of an expanding coffee shop. So that's why it's important to understand how to market real estate or businesses. There are 5 real estate sales specialties: residential, commercial, industrial, agricultural, and businesses. Residential. Sales associates need an understanding of strengths and weaknesses of the neighborhoods in the areas in which they specialize. Sales associates need to have an understanding of commercial real estate. You see, you will need to be competent to service investors. You'll need to be expert in income-producing properties, investment analysis, and various techniques for increasing after-tax cash flow. In addition to residential and commercial, sales associates also need an understanding of industrial real estate. You'll have to have technical knowledge of the needs of different industries such as transportation, railroads and airports, construction features such as steel versus concrete block. You'll need to understand local and land restrictions affecting industrial properties. There's also agricultural. Sales associates must be familiar with the operation of farms and economic problems. You must be capable of communicating with farmers. You must be knowledgeable of farm operations and federal programs affecting farm operations. And then there's businesses, referred to as business brokers. Understanding the sale or lease of existing businesses, tangible and intangible assets is very important to sales associates, as you may deal with people who own businesses and would like to sell their businesses, or you may deal with people who are looking to buy businesses. Farm area. A farm area is a term used to describe when brokers and sales associates prefer to select one specific portion of a city and become an expert in that particular area. Farm area. Target market. This term is used to describe professionals who advertise for particular prospects. For instance, relocating physicians or luxury real estate. That would be someone's chosen target market. Property management. This is where one would manage and maintain property on behalf of a property owner. Absentee owner. This is a property owner who does not reside at the property. He would rely on someone like a property manager to manage the investment or property. Appraisals are fee-based, never commission-based. It is the process of developing and communicating and estimating the value of a property. Lenders will often require the property to be appraised before approving a mortgage loan. Only licensed appraisers can prepare appraisals for federally related transactions, otherwise known as mortgages. Valuation. Real estate brokers and sales associates may appraise real property for compensation. However, you may not represent yourself as a state certified or licensed appraiser unless you actually have that license, because you will be in a position where you will help determine asking prices by preparing comparative market analysis. Development and construction. Before work can begin, most local governments will require that developers submit a subdivision plat map for review by that local government or planning board. Dedication. Dedication is a gift of land by an owner. For instance, a developer may give the government a piece of land for public use, such as parks. Nice work! You're all done with slides for Chapter 1. Now, be sure that you do all of the practice questions throughout this chapter. You also want to make sure that you do all of the end of chapter questions. And here's the other part. You want to know exactly how many questions from Chapter 1 will be on your exam. Chapter 1 has one question on the exam. So hey, can't help you there? Don't stress too much about Chapter 1. Let's dive into Chapter 2.